Hi, you guys. It's Mary again with Mary's Cooking School. And I just realized Thanksgiving is Thursday and you might need some gravy tips. Okay? So I'm going to make some gravy and I'm going to talk us through it. Okay? Now, with gravy, like a lot of things, you're always dealing with a 1-to-1 ratio. Okay? So today, just for demo, I've got 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of flour. Now, where people get in trouble with gravy is this. You gotta really pay attention to it. You wanna make a roux, basically, okay? Fat and flour cooked until there's no more flour flavor, yeah? And you get some brown. Now see, this is where you can really get most of the lumps. If there's going to be lumps, you can get rid of them now. Now, if you're making gravy for like a troop of people, which you're probably doing on Thursday, just remember, if you do 1-to-1, it can be a pound of butter to a pound of flour, though that would be gallons of gravy. But, 3 tablespoons of butter to 3 of flour, okay? Now, if you're a cannabis enthusiast, like many of us, you might want an infused gravy. This is what you're going to want to do. Back off on the fat just a little bit here, okay? Maybe 3/4 of a tablespoon to the flour. And then later on, when the gravy's almost gravy, then you can add a tablespoon of cannabis oil. You don't want it to cook too long, the cannabis butter, because it will lose some of the potency. Anyway, I've got a cup of almond milk here. Now, most of you are going to be using probably turkey stock, chicken stock, maybe a little white wine, heavy cream. Any kind of liquid almost will make a gravy, okay? This is obviously an almond milk gravy. If you have vegan friends, you're going to have to be a little more creative, okay? Not only with you can't use butter, but the fluid is going to have to be, vegan friendly, which almond milk is, but butter is not, okay? So this is going to cook, and pretty soon, miraculously, it will get thick. Now, I want to give you some old school shit here. If it's not getting thick, or if it isn't looking how you like it, and you're starting to freak out, and your mother-in-law's going to be there in 20 minutes, this is your friend. Now, I never recommend processed food or white flour for that matter, but it's Thanksgiving and you might be having a gravy crisis. If it isn't thickening the way you want, you can actually, this is so finely milled, you can just kind of dump it in there and it won't really make a lot of lumps. And then just keep stirring and see how quickly this magic old school stuff thickens right up. And look, no lumps. Now, of course, you're going to want salt and pepper and herbs and all kind of things in here. But I want you guys to understand the basics. Now, look, you guys, we currently have a delicious, well, it's probably not delicious because I didn't put any seasonings in it, but thick gravy. Look at that. No lumps, no weirdness. But, you guys, if things don't work out and, it's getting to be turkey time and the gravy's looking funky, don't be scared to just go ahead and put it in the blender and blend that shit up if you have to. But if you follow the whisking and the butter ratios, you're gonna be fine. Okay, that's enough of gravy. Have a great Thanksgiving. Bye, you guys.